So first video on me, novice, first time welding, Primeweld Mig-180 here. Just some mild steel, first test welding. This is a 316 thick mild steel. I think it's called T-joint. So I've done the first ever attempt at 23.5 amp and 300 inches per minute. Let's see if we can. Okay, a little bit. This is my first attempt. Stick out was wrong, so I adjusted the stick out. Got this fluxcore 0.035 Lincoln, and this one I adjusted a little bit. If you look at here, there is a fluxcore 0.035. It just stops at 180 thickness, but mine is a 316, so I just now the second attempt was the same settings at the 180, so 22 amps at 276 inches per minute. Honestly, I got, I think, quite a decent beat. And those fuses got, well, for first time welding with fluxcore, never used the welding machine before. This looks quite decent to me for what I need to do. Thanks for watching.